people don't believe in miracle. But I stand here to tell you that miracles do happen. Miracles do happen. I am Shiv Sankla. I am working as a recruiter for the Impelum group of companies. Today, I want to share with you a remarkable experience that has left an indelible mark on my life. I still remember the day. It was July 17, 2017. Early morning when the doctors said surgery is the only option left to cure your disease. I froze. At that time, I didn't know that this whole incident, the challenges I faced, and the lessons I learned would become a lifelong experience for me. At the age of 19, during my fourth semester at JLS College, I was struck by avascular necrosis disease. One day in 2015, I had an extreme pain in my legs, so I took painkillers without knowing the actual cause of the pain. I did the same thing continuously for the next few months. But in 2016, I thought it's time I should stop this nonsense and consult some doctors. But at the same time, I realized that if I go to any orthopedic surgeons, then they would definitely suggest me some sort of surgery for their financial benefit. So I went to the one homeopathic doctor and got myself checked. I had taken 6 months of medicine which prescribed by the doctor whom I consulted. But you know what? Even after completing all 6 months of medicine, I was not feeling good and still had an extreme pain in my legs. After that, life is a strange mixture of joys and sorrows. One day you feel extremely happy and joyful, and on the other day you feel like a cake without cream. Then I went to the various orthopedic surgeons, Dr. Bhupesh Shah, Dr. Mukesh Chappan, and Dr. Vikram Shah, and consulted with them. I had taken all medical tests like MRI, X-rays, and blood tests which prescribed by them. After all of these, doctor found that I had an avascular necrosis symptoms and the transplant surgery is the only option to cure my disease. After knowing the bitter truth, all my dreams washed away in an instant. Avascular necrosis is a medical term where you aren't able to walk and sit for more than 10 minutes because of the extreme pain. But from that moment, I learned the value of patience amidst the most trying circumstances. After that, with a heavy heart, I made a decision to undergo the transplant surgery. I went through two major surgeries. One was in 2018 and another in 2019. I needed two people to help me even move. I took 2 years to start walking and limping, but I got back up. I gained weight. I became overweight. Apparently, people would laugh at me. People would look at me with pity. But I woke up because I did not let that define me. I let it define that whatever tried to bring me down actually rose me up. And you know what? Whatever scars that my body has today, because what I went through, it just shows that how strong of a warrior I am. My mother and my elder brother, they were the two who stood strong by my side and kept motivating me doing all of this. From all of that, I learned how to see positively at worst situations and how to rise again from the failures. One thing I would like to suggest to all of you that whatever challenges you face in life, just be positive and see the positive side of it. Rise like phoenix from the ashes of adversity. I would like to conclude my speech with 4 powerful lines penned by Piyush Mishra. कृष्ण की पुकार है, ये भागवत का सार है कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है. कौरवों की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो, जो लड़ सका है वो ही तो महान है. Thank you, Dipti ma'am, Amit sir, Rucha ma'am, and of course my best group leader Priyal for always supporting me. Thank you so much and have a great day.